Lingportal Online School presents
Determiners. 7 types of determiners. Determiners in English. Determiners are crucial in everyday communication because they help define the reference of a noun in a sentence. Without them, our speech and writing would be vague, and listeners or readers might struggle to understand who or what we are talking about. Mastering the use of determiners is the key to achieving fluency and clarity in English, as they provide important details such as ownership, quantity, and specificity about the noun. What are determiners? Determiners are words that appear before nouns or noun phrases and give more information about the noun, clarifying about number, ownership, or definiteness of the noun. They help specify whether the noun is general or specific, singular or plural, or how much or how many of something there are. Determiners also signal the presence of a noun in the sentence, guiding the reader's or listener's focus to the noun. For example, the cat. The indicates a specific cat. An apple. An indicates a non-specific apple. Many people. Many indicates a large number of people. What do determiners do? Determiners perform a few key functions in a sentence. Specify or identify nouns. They clarify whether the noun refers to something specific, definite, or non-specific, indefinite. Look at the example, the book, specific, versus a book, non-specific. Show quantity or amount. They indicate how many or how much of the noun is being referred to. Examples of this are several options, some water. Indicate possession. They show ownership or association with someone or something. Examples of indicating possession: her phone, their car. Ask questions. Some determiners are used to form questions about the noun. Here are some examples. Which book did you read? Whose pen is this? These functions help to make sentences more precise and easier to understand. Did you notice that different types of words can serve as determiners? Types of determiners. There are several types of determiners, each serving a different purpose in the sentence. Let's explore each type in detail. 1. Articles. Articles are the most common type of determiner. They tell us whether the noun is specific or non-specific. Indefinite articles, a and an. They refer to a non-specific noun or something that hasn't been previously mentioned. For example, a cat is on the mat means any cat, not a specific one. Definite article, the. This refers to a specific noun that is known to both the speaker and the listener. For example, the cat is on the mat means a specific known cat. 2. Demonstrative. These determiners indicate specific nouns and their proximity, either near or far from the speaker. This and these. Both words refer to nouns that are closer to the speaker than others. This is used for singular or uncountable nouns. These is used for plural nouns. For example, this book, singular, near the speaker. These books, plural, near the speaker. That and those. Both words refer to nouns farther away from the speaker. That is used for singular or uncountable nouns. Those is used for plural nouns. Here are examples. That car, singular, far from the speaker. Those cars, plural, far from the speaker. Many learners know these words as demonstrative pronouns. 3. Possessive determiners. These determiners show who owns or has something. Common possessive determiners include my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Have you recognized the personal pronouns? They also can serve as determiners. My house is big. The house belongs to me. Their dog is friendly. The dog belongs to them. 4. Quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to express the amount or quantity of the noun. They can be used as determiners with both countable and uncountable nouns. Some, much, little, a lot of, enough, all, no. They are used for uncountable nouns. For example, some sugar, much water, many, few, several, a few, any, all, no. They are used for countable nouns. Examples: many students, few books. 5. Numbers. Numbers can act as determiners to indicate exact quantities. Cardinal numbers. They indicate quantity. For example, 1, 2, 3. For example, 2 apples are on the table. Ordinal numbers. They indicate position or order. For example, first, second, third. For example, the first person in line. 6. Interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners, also known as interrogative pronouns, are used to ask questions about the noun. Common interrogative determiners: which, what, whose. For example, which movie are you watching? Asking for a specific movie. Whose car is this? Asking about ownership. 7. Distributive determiners. Distributive determiners, also called distributive adjectives, refer to individual people or things within a group. Each refers to every individual in a group. For example, each student received a certificate. Every has similar meaning to each, but emphasizes the whole group. For example, every day is a new opportunity, referring to each day in a group of days, but The focus is on the whole group. Either, neither. These words are used when referring to a choice between two options. Either jacket will do means that one or another jacket will do. Neither option is suitable means that no one option is suitable. Placement of determiners. Determiners are typically placed before a noun or noun phrase. If adjectives are also present, the determiner comes before the adjectives. Before nouns. Determiners are used directly before the noun they modify. For example, both kids received sweets. The students raised their hands. Before adjectives and nouns. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the determiner comes before both the adjective and the noun. The red car is fast. A tall student raised their hand. Please memorize the following. If multiple determiners are used, such as possessives and numbers, they follow a specific order. 1. Possessive quantifier, if present. 2. Number, if present. 3. Adjective. 4. Noun. Example: my 2 favorite books. Difference between determiners and adjectives. Sometimes it is difficult to distinguish between the determiner and the adjective. Although both determiners and adjectives modify or add information to nouns, they do so in different ways. Determiners are used to clarify which noun or how many we are referring to, such as in this apple, demonstrating which apple, or 3 apples, indicating quantity. Determiners don't describe the noun's characteristics. Adjectives, on the other hand, are used to describe the qualities of the noun, such as color, size, or appearance. For example, red apple describes the color. Big car describes the size. Adjectives describe the qualities of the noun. The following examples clarify the distinction. The book is interesting. Here, the is a determiner that tells us which book we're referring to. The yellow book is interesting. Here, yellow is an adjective describing the color of the book. Afterword. In summary, determiners are small but powerful words that help define the nouns they precede, making our sentences clearer and more precise. From indicating quantity and ownership to distinguishing specific items from general ones, they play a crucial role in communication. By mastering the different types of determiners and their placement, learners can significantly improve their accuracy and fluency in English.